Rachel, thank you. Well, as we mentioned earlier, schools, school buildings, child care centers, and outdoor high school sports will be allowed to start up again. Schools will also be able to hold outdoor graduation ceremonies. WJZ is live. Kelsey Kushner with reaction to these big changes. Kelsey.
Well, Vic, Maryland school superintendent said today that daycare centers can now open with 15 people max inside. That would be students or kids or even their staff members there. She also said today that school buildings can also open to help students who need it most. As Governor Hogan moves forward with more Phase 2 reopenings, the spotlight turns towards education.
Students with the most intense learning needs are the ones that have been hit the hardest by the pandemic.
Wednesday, State School Superintendent Dr. Karen Salmon announced school buildings can now bring in small groups of 10 to 15 students and staff members, with a focus on vulnerable students and those unable to participate in distance learning.
I think it's a okay idea. I think if they take precautions, they have like their distancing, and then they're monitoring the kids, and they have smaller classes. I don't see anything wrong with it.
Outdoor high school sports can also resume practices and training as long as they align with COVID-19 health guidelines. And child care centers can open with a maximum of 15 individuals per classroom. But some say it's still not enough.
We're glad that we're moving toward more students in a classroom. However, it still poses a big problem as far as being able to maintain our business and staying open.
Imani Rose at Joshua's Place Early Learning Center says since the shutdown, they've lost more than half of their business, and it's putting a strain on resources.
And that's just not enough to necessarily cover the finances that come with it, along with the cleaning we already have to do, buying the supplies.
And some parents say it's time to move forward on the road to recovery.
I feel like we definitely should open up and allow us to go on with our lives.
Now, the governor also said that schools can hold outdoor graduation ceremonies as long as they are following those restrictions. Reporting live tonight, Kelsey Kushner for WJZ.